Stop scrolling for a second, because this might be the easiest AI photo trend you'll try today. Want to turn your photo into a viral Barbie-style AI toy render? It only takes a minute, and the results look incredibly cool. Here's how to do it. First, open ChatGPT Image 2.0. I've put the link in the description below, so it's easy to find. Once you're there, select the Create Image mode. Next, upload the photo you want to transform. It can be a selfie, a portrait, or even a photo with your friends. After your photo is uploaded, copy the prompt that I've pinned in the comments and paste it into the prompt box. Now, simply tap Send. The AI will start generating your image, and you'll only need to wait a few seconds while the magic happens. What's really cool is that the AI keeps your photo recognizable while transforming it into a high-quality collectible toy figure, complete with that trendy Barbie-style packaging look that's all over social media right now. When the image is finished, you can download it directly to your phone and share it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or wherever you want. It's super easy, completely beginner-friendly, and honestly, pretty fun to see yourself turned into an AI toy.